Well, hello there, everyone. I want to welcome you to my kitchen today, and I am so excited. It is my favorite time of year because it is soup season. I love soup. I don't think that there's anything more comforting than a nice big bowl of warm soup. And oh my goodness, I'm starting off the soup season with a bang. This is a good one. I'm making a creamy Italian sausage and tortellini soup. It is warm, hearty, comforting. It's just so delicious. Now I have several ingredients here on my counter. I'm gonna go over all of them with you and show you just how to make this delicious soup. So get ready because it is time to get cooking. All right, guys, so you will need some Italian sausage. Now, this particular Italian sausage comes in individual links. I, however, will be removing the casings from those links. You will also need 1 cup each of carrots, celery, and onions, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. What I have here is 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano, basil, and thyme, 3 to 4 garlic cloves. You'll need some spinach. This is optional though. You don't have to have the spinach, but I like it. And what I have here is some frozen cheese tortellini. This is a 1 pound, 3 ounce bag. I'm gonna probably use about half of this. But look, if you wanna use all of it, feel free. This is your soup. Then you will need a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. I like to use the fire roasted. 4 ounces of cream cheese. You'll need some salt and pepper. This is 4.5 cups of chicken broth. It's actually hot water that I added the chicken bouillon cubes to, and then 1 cup of heavy cream. All right, into a soup pot, I'm gonna add my olive oil, and I have my heat on a medium-high heat. Then I'm going to add my carrots, celery, and onions. All right, and I'm gonna let these cook for a couple minutes until those onions are translucent and the vegetables begin to soften. All right, so my vegetables have been cooking for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to add my garlic. And I'm not adding my garlic when I first add the vegetables because garlic has a tendency to burn. All right, and then I'm gonna add my Italian sausage. Now to remove those casings, I'm just taking a sharp knife along the back side of the sausage, and then you just peel that casing right off. Super easy. All right, you just want to cook this sausage until it's completely browned and cooked through. Once your Italian sausage is completely cooked through, then you'll want to add your seasonings. I'm going to add a good pinch of salt and black pepper. Then I'm going to add my diced tomatoes, and I'm going to add my chicken broth. And I'm also going to add my heavy cream, and I'm going to add my cream cheese. All right, now I'm just going to let this cook for about 15 minutes till that cheese melts, and we want to also make sure that our carrots are tender. All right, so my soup has been cooking for about 15 minutes. I tested the carrots and they're nice and tender. So now I'm gonna add my spinach, and I'm gonna add just a couple handfuls, but again, you can add as much as you want. And then I'm going to add the tortellini, and I'm gonna add about a half of this bag. And that'll be nice because I'll be able to make this soup again and use the other half. And these tortellini cook up really quick. It only takes them about 2 to 3 minutes. And then the soup's done. So the soup is all done, and oh my, it looks and smells delicious. I cannot wait to have a bite. I'm gonna bowl it up and show you what it looks like. Oh my. It is so hearty and comforting. Creamy. And the only thing that would make this soup better is a nice piece of warm, crusty bread. That would just send it over the top. Oh, it's so good. I hope that you guys give this soup a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.